At SilverSummit Healthplan, we get you the personalized mental health support you need when you need it. Through our Mill Street Care Center in Reno and Summit Center in Las Vegas, we can connect you with the right mental health resources for you, whether that's therapy, addiction recovery, access to medications, or inpatient mental health services.
Here at the Care Center, you are not a name and a number. You are an actual person. They take into consideration what you've been through and nurse you through that to where you can become a responsible member of society.
We get you a safe place when you need it most and immediate same-day access to care. And even if you relapse, SilverSummit is with you every step of the way.
I deal with a lot of depression and anxiety, but I found that the more I come here, my anxiety is down. My depression is almost non-existent.
Since I've been out here in the city of Reno, Nevada, a year ago this month, I don't ever remember receiving as much services I have through my insurance provider, SilverSummit. When I needed to get through some doors, those doors were open through SilverSummit, and Mill Street Care Center is one of them. I'm forever grateful to the Mill Street Care Center and for SilverSummit for the care I've received.
Get the quality care you deserve with SilverSummit. Go to ChooseSilverSummit.com or call 1-844-366-2880 today.